Today in this video I show you how to fix Facebook add friend option missing problem. You can see if I open Facebook, click on menu icon. Now open my profile. And now if I click on three dots, now click on view as to see how my profile is showing to others. Then you can see my add friend option is missing and not showing. So for fixing it, I will go back to menu and then click on settings icon. Scroll down to find how people find and contact you and click on it. Now in this you have to change who can send you friend request. For changing it, you have to click on friends of friends. Now select everyone. Now if I go back to my profile page and click on three dots, now click on view as, you can see my add friend option is showing. So this is how you can fix Facebook add friend option missing problem. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.